how to remove text from video in CapCut on PC and Mac. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do here is we're going to teach you how you can remove stuff like this one over here. So as you can see in our clip here, there will be like a subscribe pop-up here. So to be able to remove this is actually very simple. Now, before we get started, actually, this is not going to work for every type of video. This is going to work though for videos that are still, like there are still frames just like this one, where the ground doesn't change but you can see the background moving. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your clip here, click on freeze frame, and you will be able to have a frame over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our area here with where there is a subscribe section. So you're simply going to put this over this one, and you're gonna double click this, or rather you're going to click on this crop option, and you're just going to crop the bottom area. There we go. Click on confirm, and you're simply going to drag this below, as you can see. So it looks seamless, like nothing really changes. And then we're going to simply overlap it on that specific area. As you can see, the subscribe option is no longer appearing, or you could easily avoid it, as you can see. So you can do this for other types of text or icons or any type of elements that are on the video, and you can easily cover it up with this method. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.